No, stay away from me. You can't come in. Go away. Redoing this. Bye. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As most of you guys know, I have rheumatoid arthritis. And some of you guys might be thinking like, what? Katie, you're young. How do you rheumatoid arthritis? Isn't that an old person's disease? Yeah, usually you don't get it until you're old, but I unfortunately have it. It's hereditary. My mom has it, my grandpa has it. So unfortunately, those are just the cards that I was dealt, and now I am dealing with it now. I thought for a video idea, it would be a really cool idea for me to share what supplements are worth taking to improve your joint health, what supplements have worked for me, my experience of RA and competing and just having poor joints, what supplements really helped me and which ones really didn't. I'm just gonna dive right in. First, let me say, like, especially if you guys are cutting, you might notice that your body aches more than normal because it has less food to recover. You're training harder, you're doing more cardio, it's more intensive on your body, and your body might be in more pain. And usually when I cut down, I have worse joint pain. My arthritis flares up when I have a lower body fat percentage. Obviously, think about a joint. Cushion in the joint is fat. So when you lower your body fat percentage, you're not only lowering the outside layer of fat, you're also lowering the inner layers of fat, like the fat that surrounds your organs, the fat that's found in your joint. You have to think about the bigger picture, and like that's basically why your body is hurting more, because it doesn't have that cushion, the fat, to protect itself. Whenever I cut down, I notice my joints always act up, my arthritis flares. It's just how it goes. I know it. As I'm doing this cut, I'm taking certain supplements to try to combat that, to try to help me with my arthritis pain and my joint pain. The supplements that have really helped with my arthritis pain, you can find these, most of them you can find them at your local vitamin shop or like a Sprouts or whatever. Some of them are One Up Nutrition, one of them is Costco. I'm just gonna go through. So I got this one for Christmas. It's called Arthrocin, and basically it is just a combination of a bunch of amazing ingredients. I've been taking it and I can definitely feel my arthritis hurts less when I take this. If your joints are hurting you, you should probably take this regularly. I usually only tend to take it when I have flares, when my joints hurt, you know what I mean? I probably should be taking it every day simply because I have RA, but whatever. This has been an amazing supplement. It's got like turmeric and all of these things that I don't even know. I will list it in the description box below and you can research. I'm just sharing with you what's worked for me. Also, turmeric itself, just turmeric alone. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory and it's done amazing things for my arthritis. You can also make turmeric this thing called golden milk, and it's basically like golden milk that you drink, and it's made from turmeric and some other stuff in there. I've had that a couple times, but I'm just lazy and I don't like to make golden milk, so I take turmeric instead. Turmeric is a long, well-known anti-inflammatory supplement, and you can get this basically anywhere. Next thing on the list is glucosamine. This is a standard glucosamine supplement. I got this one at Costco, obviously. Glucosamine and MSM. Now, there's lots of debates on whether glucosamine actually works or not, or if it's just like mental, but I take it daily and I feel like it significantly helps my joints be less painful, especially when I'm taking the turmeric and the Arthrocin also. So I would say you should take it. If you have joint pain, take glucosamine. It can't hurt you. It can only benefit you, so you might as well. That's my viewpoint on it. My other supplement that's really helped that I actually am out of right now, so I don't have it to show you, is fish oil. Fish oil can be really, really good for your joints. It can help with the lubrication. It can help your body have the right amount of fats to protect your joints and everything. So fish oil is a great one. Also this, which is weird, and I never would have thought to take this until Weston actually, he was like, you need to buy this product because it's great for inflammation in joints. So it's actually Collagen Powder, and I got this on Amazon. Here's what it looks like. it actually helps a lot with my arthritis and my joint pain. So if you have severe joint pain, I definitely recommend taking this. It's basically protein. It has 11 grams of protein in it, and it's made, but the only thing is that it's made out of beef. So I don't know, I mean, whey protein is made out of milk, so it's kind of like the same thing, I guess, but it's collagen. That's what it is, collagen protein. So made from beef. If you're not a vegetarian, I would recommend getting this stuff. It really, really, really does help. But that kind of made me wonder, because I'm like, whenever I eat meat, I used to have arthritis flares. So why does this not hurt my arthritis? And then I thought maybe it's actually like the muscle fibers, you know, in the meat tissue that you eat instead of like the protein. I don't know. That doesn't make any sense. Whatever, it helps. It helps. I'm serious. So for some reason, something about this collagen protein doesn't hurt my arthritis. It actually helps. Last two supplements that are super easy to get and have other benefits as well are BCAAs. These BCAAs I love. They're from OneUp because they actually have glutamine and collagen in them. The collagen, like I was just explaining, is great for joint pain. It's great for recovery. It's great to promote like that cushioning in your joints. The glutamine is great for recovery also, and like I literally live, I don't go a day without eating BCAAs. This is my favorite product, favorite brand of BCAAs. I love them so much, and they taste amazing. I make slushies out of them. They soothe my sweet tooth. It's just such a good one. Also, creatine. Creatine is going to be great for your joints as well. This one has glutamine in it too. Glutamine is good for your joints. This is Pure Rebuild. This is a creatine glutamine blend. So if you stack all of these supplements together like I do, your joint pain will go down significantly. Also, if you have very swollen and tender joints, taking like an anti-inflammatory would help as well. But these are just some natural remedies that you can try to supplement your diet with, and hopefully improve your joint health and your joint pain. So that is that, you guys. Short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I don't know everything about every single product, but these are just the ones that have helped me the most. I will list them out below. You can save on these two products with my discount code Katie20 at oneupnutrition.com, as well as a bunch of other amazing products that you can get on that website too. They also have an amazing rewards program where you can rack up points and save a lot of money. So I will leave it at that. If you have any questions, please comment them below and I will try to get back to you. And I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos, like informational little tips. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Also, this is from LiveFit. KDLVFT 10 for a discount. Waka waka.